Hi everybody, welcome back. So we're heading up to Huntsville. It's a nice crown land spot right by the lake. I think the lake's called Round Lake. And from there, that's where we're going to start. And then we're going to do some exploring, find some more campsites up there. There's tons of lake. So I've got my canoe on top. I've got my fishing gear. We're going to try and catch some fish. Plus we got some nice meals planned. Anyways, here, I'll give you a little bit of a walk around the setup here, show you what I got. Just before we take off. Here's my 2002 Ford Ranger. It's got about a 2-inch lift on it, and those are 33 by 12 and a half tires, just under 200,000 kilometers. And then my trailer, it's a 1976 Surfside, triple E Surfside. So I've lifted it a little bit to give it a little more clearance. Anyways, you can check out my videos if you want a little more information about the vehicles. Pork loin, got some ribs marinated, wieners and beans, hamburgers, lots of good stuff in the freezer. Let's get going. So it's 6 o'clock. We've just come through Huntsville. We're in Crown Land now, and we're just looking for a nice lake, something to spend the night, and then we'll check out the area tomorrow. So I think we're going to hang out here for a bit. Maybe do a little bit of fishing this morning, and then making some coffee right now. And then we'll do some exploring. Seems like a good day to do some exploring. Do a little bit of driving around here. See what kind of spots we can find. So I don't know if you can hear that, but it is blowing out there. And it's been blowing all night. And raining. It's quite cold, but we got the furnace running in here. It's nice and warm inside. And just about to make a little bit of coffee. I'm looking forward to that. It's always nice. That's one of the nicest things about camping is a nice hot coffee in the morning. So that's what we're going to get started on now. Okay, we're headed out. We're going to do some exploring right now. I've got the chainsaw in the truck, the axe, the shovel. We're going to see if we can get some wood and go take a look around here a little bit. So we just got back from doing some exploring, a little bit of four-buying around here. So there's some real nice trails, a lot of ATV trails, but some nice campsites. Maybe not right on the lake, but pretty nice spots that real private, all in crown land. But I got home here, I'm just burning a little bit of birch here, you can see there. Yeah, it's really wet though. The wood is wet. Everything's wet right now. It's been raining here for a few days, so everything just soaked. Just starting to snow right now. We got a little bit of a snowstorm happening, so I'm looking forward to that. Hopefully waking up tomorrow to a little bit of snow. That'll be a nice for pictures and nice for exploring a little bit. I tried a little bit of fishing out on the lake. Didn't really catch anything. Got a couple good bites, but nothing nothing that I could enjoy eating. So maybe a little bit later. But anyways, not bad though. Not a bad spot to enjoy a nice fire, a little drink, and I hope to barbecuing some ribs tonight. Look forward to that. So this is what we woke up to this morning. It's probably about -10, and it's been snowing off and on a little bit all night. Just out for a walk this morning. Down here by there's like this little river that comes into the lake. And it's so peaceful and quiet. Snow's falling. It's so nice. I know it's hard to capture this with a camera, but you can hear how quiet it is. All you hear is the leaves rustling, that's it. So we just got in from outside. We had our coffee. We just made our coffee on the fire. It was really nice. We could see the sun come up. It's beautiful out there, nice and cold. But sometimes on a cold day, it's nice to have our breakfast inside. So in our trailer, we've got the furnace going, and we're going to make some pancakes this morning. We're going to make some pancakes and eggs. is out here filming this trail up to this lake here. I just noticed, look at the size of these tracks here. Looks like some pretty good tracks. Look like they're wolf maybe? Not 100% sure. Look at the stride on it. Thing's moving. Thought I'd film some of the wildlife here. I think my dog just broke. He's gone. Well, it was quite a shock to wake up to the snow, and it was quite cold last night. But we got ourselves some wood, chopped it all up. It was actually laying right across the road. That was kind of convenient. And now we're just making some wieners and beans for breakfast over our nice campfire. And things are starting to warm up now. I feel quite warm out here. So maybe we'll do some canoeing later and a little more exploring. Well, it's looking pretty good. I think we're ready for breakfast. Not too bad, hey? Nice meal. And look at the view. You can't get a better view than that.